In less than 10 minutes, I am going to show you how I gained access to a website legally. No complicated coding, no Hollywood hacking, just a simple tool anyone can use, and the result will surprise you. Our target today is testphp.vulnerableweb.com, a legal, intentionally vulnerable website made for learning web security. This is not a real ban or store. It is 100% safe for training. We'll use a Python tool called w3brute to find the login page and brute force it. Git clone downloads the tool. cd enters the tools folder. I will leave the GitHub link in the video description. The tool is written in Python 2, so to run it, you need to install Python 2. So to verify if the tool is installed, type python2 w3brute.py tag h. As you can see, the tool shows a help message, which means it was installed successfully. The first thing we need is the website's login page. W3brute can search for common admin URLs automatically. Tag T, target URL. Tag admin tells the tool to look for common admin/login page. The tool found /login.php as the admin login page of our target website. Now let's copy and paste it after the website URL to view the website's admin login page. Now let's copy the admin login page URL and go back to w3brute to crack it. Now we need username and password lists. In real-world attacks, hackers often use hook lists like rockyou.txt, but will create a small list for testing. Create a user list by typing nanousers.txt. Type admin, test, guest, then save and exit by clicking Ctrl O and press enter to save, then click Ctrl X to exit. Create password lists by typing nano passwords.txt. Save and exit. For this demo, the real username and password are both test, so we have added that in. Now we'll run w3 brood in brute force mode using our lists. Python 3 w3 brood.py tag t your target login page. Tag p your password list.txt file. Tag u your target user list.txt file. Tag t target login page. Tag p password list file. Tag u username list file. The tool is giving us an error. The reason for this error is that we ran the tool with Python 3 instead of Python 2. Now let's change Python 2 to Python 3. Boom! Successful! As you can see, the tool has successfully found a valid username and password. Now let's test the credentials in the real login page. Brute force works here because the site doesn't block repeated login attempts. To protect against this, limit login attempts, use captcha, enforce strong passwords, monitor failed login logs, enable two-factor authentication. And that is how I ethically hacked a test website using a Python brute force tool. This is for educational use only. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ethical hacking videos.